Good morning. April 2.
Fix the tag back.
Yeah.
That's big soy cards ready?
Yeah. Uwian na. Tapos na tayo dito sa Port Lincoln. And ayan si Holly, nakabihis na. And siya yung nagbabrush ng hair niya. Tapos pagkatapos niyan, ako yung magtatali. And ako nag-aayos na din. Ayan yung suit natin. Malamig na, Han. Is it cold, Han? Yeah. So, pag nasa ka, okay lang. Pero pag lumabas, malamig. So, naka-leggings tayong black and yung oversized na t-shirt. Naglalagay tayo ng serum foundation from Black Skin. Nakapag-skincare na ako. Nakita niyo na yung pa rin yung ginagamit natin. And yan yung isa sa binigay ko sa kanya nung Easter, yung leggings niya. Natalian ko na siya. And ngayon, lalagyan siya ng moisturizer niya. Ito yung moisturizer niya, guys. Pinapap lang yan, tapos may lalabas na dyan. Yung Ever Eden. Yan yung kanyang facial wash. Okay, bye-bye na tayo dito sa ating view. Para yung view namin ni Sisi Race kasi yung kwarto nila dito lang. Ayan. So, yan din yung view niya. So, bye-bye. Hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit tayo makakapunta dito. But, sobrang ganda dito. Lalo na kay Jan. Gustong-gusto niya to. So, yeah. Na-check na to ni Jan. Okay. Ayan. Tulog pa yung dalawang maliit. Ito, ibababa ng mga yan. Okay, malinis na din dito. Ayan. Nauna silang gumising ito mga boys. Wait, get that plastic there please. Aking vitamins. Yung aking supplement for my hair and nails. And yung aking magnesium sleep. Ngayon natin dito. Nakalis na tayo sa bahay. Anong oras na ba? 9:21 na. Pagas muna tayo. Kasi ang haba ng ating biyahe. So, bago tayo magbiyahe, magbi-breakfast muna kami dun sa French restaurant. Yung saan kayo bumili ng croissant. Then, malapit din dun yung Intersport. Si Sak bibili siya ng footy shoes, Zachary? Footy boots. So, kasi yung binili namin sa kanya last year, ano na?
No, it was 2 years.
It was 2 years? Ano na daw? No, it wasn't 2 years, Zach.
Yeah, it was.
His shoe, the footy boots. Yeah, last year. That was last year only. So, bibilan namin siya kasi masikip na. May konting allowance na lang. Footy, ano na guys. Footy season na. Magti-train na ulit sila. Well, nag-start na. And may game na. So, kailangan niyang komportabling sapatos. Medyo malamig. Hindi medyo malamig guys. Hindi pala. I know. Hindi daw pala tayo dyan magbe-breakfast sa Tumble Bay. Is it? Tambi Bay. So, kumuha ng coffee somewhere si Dan. So, imimit na lang namin sila dito sa Intersport.
Come on in, Bob.
So, dito sila. Saan na sila? Ang maganda dito na mag-shopping ng mga jumper. Where are they? Ayan. So, iwan ko sila dito. Susukatin niya ni Sak. Ayan. Which one, Sak? What color? Ayan. Okay. Mag-order muna ako bago sila matapos dito. So, punta ako dito sa Lance French Cafe pala. And Croissanterie. Basta yan. Dahil walang tao ngayon. Last time, ang dami-daming tao. So, punta ko dito. Ako ko lang sila. So, kumaha ko ng Danish mango and ham and cheese and hot chocolate. Yung large na hot chocolate. Ito yung hot chocolate natin. Dito talaga nila binibake. O, hinintay ko lang yung croissant. Nandiyan na yung Danish mango natin. Hot chocolate na large. Walang size si Zach doon.
Alright, right.
So, punta tayo sa Sports Power. Nandito na yung prosat kambang. Yan yung hot chocolate. Ang sarap. Okay. Malaki ng Sports Power nila dito. Okay. Tanong natin kung may size ni Zach. Oh, nice. Hi. Good, thank you. We're looking for footy boots. Lucky, oh. You got big Sports Power here. I hope you get the size.
It's a very open store.
Yeah, it's very open. Ayun, no, not that one.
Do we know what palette for our different colours?
Do you have the...
Some of the juniors on the wall here with the Adidas and the Asics.
This one, right, Zach?
So that's a men's.
Yeah, for... Okay. Titingnan nila kung may size. So, ito pala yung OOTD natin, guys. Titingnan kung merong size si Zach, size 7.
As you kids.
Okay. Alright.
So we can try this one.
Okay, try that one,
See how
Zach.
it feels.
Oh, okay. Put your finger now.
Turn up. Tie there. Up. And I'll give her.
Sold. Buti na may size, Zach. Thank you.
See ya. That. Pardon? That's it.
Ayan pala yung aking croissant. Ayan. Whoops. Oh, ang sarap niyan, guys. Sarap. Yung mga kasama ko magbe-breakfast sila sa yun nga sa sinabi ko. Tambal Bay. Right, ha?
Where's Tumble Bay?
Yun.
Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh.
Dito na kami pala sa Tambay Bay. Ayun yung bakery, nandoon sila. Ako okay na ako. Siya din nakapag-pie na rin daw siya kanina. Nandoon sila. Tulog si Arlo. Pie mo yan. Nga si Dong Buzog yan. Hanggang ngayon naka-PJs pa rin siya. Ayan, nakakuha sila ng pagkain sa bakery. Smells good. What you got?
Baguette and something.
Mana?
A baguette. A baguette.
A burger.
No, not a baguette.
What's you got, Han?
Baguette.
Oh. Baguette. Salami, cheese.
Cookie and a brownie.
Cookie and a brownies. Oh, what's that? Kuya hot dog?
This I'm gonna eat chicken baguette.
Chicken baguette. Ito nila kakainin yung food nila. O sa car nila. Nandun kasi yung mga boys. Kumakain sila. Ay, si Jan katapos na siyang kumain, si Olo kumakain pa. Si Reyes nasa toilet. Nagpabukas siya niyan. Si Dudong tulog kanina, nakangangayan. Ayan na si Ate Holly. Yeah, it's a bit warm here, no, Baba? Wow, sharing is caring. Nag-share si Ate sa kanya ng... What's that? Let me see. Oh, eat that one first. Hold this one. Eat that one first. May ilong na cherry. Is it good? Cherry. Someone's calling. That's Daddy. Feeling.
Yeah.
Tapos na silang kumain and ayan, di-discuss kung saan ang next stop namin bago tayo maka-uwi.
This is Tumby Bay.
Tambay Bay. Yeah, ito yung Tambay Bay. No, thank you.
It's good. It's a chili chicken.
I don't like. I'm so full yet. Thank you. Next stop na naman tayo, guys. Kasi ayan, Marina.
Though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running over.
So, ito na yung aming
It's all in the other car.
third third stop sa Wayala. Alam niyo ba, merong ano guys, merong nag-chef dip lang dyan. Nandun kami, nakatay ko yung Simply Race. Kumuha siya ng chocolate. Basta madami siya kinuha na tig $4. Linagay niya lang sa damit. Ginala niya lang kami. Kita-kita naman kung anong ginagawa niya, pero wala siyang pakialam.
No, I'm gonna use mine.
Ano siya, how to say, hindi siya puti. Hindi siya, basta ibang yung original na mga taga ditong tao, nauna sa Australia. Huh?
Did you get it?
What?
Video?
No, because I didn't bring my vlog. Tito's was vlogging, but Tito's was vlogging the kids, not the guy. Okay. No, I didn't say. Wag ko raw sabihin kung sino sila. Basta, mga unang tao dito sa Australia. Yan palang kinuha nila dun sa Wayala Subway. Sa OTR, I mean. Subway. May Subway din kasi dun. Cheetos. And Nerds. And si Holly lumipat na dun sa car ni Tito Danya.
With you, we were just children, acting like a doll, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did.
Are you going in?
Stop tayo dito sa bakery. Hindi ko sa... Where are we now, honey? Where are we,
Nowhere.
Out of nowhere, sorry dyan. I don't know, nagganon siya. Hindi ko lang kung nasan tayo, guys, but dito tayo sa gilid ng kalsada, mayroong bakery kami nakita. Malamig, mahangin. Si Saka, yung kinukuha niya na si Dong. Favorite niya si Dong. Para si sa kapatid ni Dong. Tingnan niyo, may mga pickles sila dito na Harris pickles onion. Hot pickle onions. 2 kilo. Kung singkamas to, bumili na ako. Tapos ayan, meron din sila dito, kalamata. Meron silang banana bread. What you gonna get, Sak? Dim sims. Wala na masyado. Yung salami, ang dami, nakabitin lang. Ang daming pickles, daming hot sauce. Oo, yan. Ano-ano na lang. Ang dami, guys. Tingnan nyo yung, dito, yung sausages. Kaya, ang hirap si Jam parang may nakikita. What's that, Han? Strawberry jam. Tingnan nyo siya. This is good, Pepperoni, salami. Ayan, parang may amag na siya. Ang dami, nakabitin lang sila. Tapos yung mga pickles na, nakita natin yung onions, olives. Dito yung mga pickles na prawns. Look at this one. We can do this to our lobster. See? Pickle octopus. Dami. Calamari. Pickled na. Ito. Hot pickled mussels. Parang ang dami. I see. Ang dami. Si Janko, siguro, basta. Crocodile? Crocodile? Oh.
Crocodile fillets,
Oh.
shark, crocodile
Snake?
patties, camel patties,
Try that.
buffalo.
Si Jem, meron nakuha. You gonna try that one, Han? What's that, baby? Oh! Pati eggs. Ayan. Lahat na yatang isipin mo nandito na. Lahat ng seafoods. Except fish. Wala akong nakitang isdang pickled. Ito, ayan pa. Ang dami pa dito. Dan, your favorite, Dan? Chili. Pickled chili? lalaro na sila dito. Kaya meron din sila mga lollies, yung mga hard candies. Twiggies. Ang dami guys, pistachios. Mga dried fruits. Chuanhan, ikaw na talaga. Ah, Italian. Ang tono niya palang Italian na. Ba't may amag? You gonna buy that, Han? What's that? You like that? It's all fat. It looks all fat. Salt daw. Ayun yung nabili ni John. Silang crayfish. Ayan. Isa to. $88.73. Eto lang. Ayan. Babe. For only one. Ha? I know we do have. Meron silang beef jerky. Oh, yun na. Don't, I wanna get it myself. I'm just gonna buy. Oh.
Touching it, and then I'm gonna have it back. Have that.
Oh, that's all. Gustong-gusto nila to.
Mommy,
Mm.
where's that lolly that you said it was a chewy?
Ano yung like ko? Hindi ko yung bet. Sobrang na-traffic kami dito, guys. Ngayon lang kami nakagalaw. So, sila naman yung nakastop. Kanina kami yung nakastop, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang tagal-tagal. So, sila yan, oh. Ang haba. May roadwork kasi.
They keep us on speaking terms. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forget.
Delayed na tayo, guys.
Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children.
6:39 na. Pick upin lang namin yung order namin dito sa Fasta Pasta. Yung mga boys and other kids. Fasta Pasta sa kanila. Kami ni Ray's Korean.
It would be done.
Ano, food. Nag-order na rin kami. Pick upin din namin yan. Sila lang ang lalabas.
Is it ready?
Ayan, nakuha na natin yung orders. Si Dan, nauna na kasi may pipick upin pa silang Korean food. Sumauna na kami sa bahay nila. Dito kami sa bahay nila, Race. Dinalagyan ng relo si Ayla. Galing yan sa car namin. Kay Holly siguro yung binigay niya kay Ayla. Siya na talaga namimigay ng relo na... Oy! Sis! Si Sak na talagang na kumuha ng relo sa... Doon sa sasakyan namin, kay Holly, sabi niya, ibigay ko na to, kaya sabi niya. Tapos sabi ni Sak, no, sa'yo talaga to, bigay na lang natin. Ayan na yung kay Sak, Hawaiian. Kay Holly, carbonara. You got new watch, Baba?
No, not tomorrow.
I know, you get... Babantayan ko to si Sak, baka mga gamit niya, ibigay sa mga girlfriend niya. Pinamimigay niya yung gamit ni Holly. Pareho sila ni Dan, nasarapan siya. Ano to? Ravioli? Ravioli Milanese. Ravioli Milanese. Pareho pa rin na-order namin katsu. Akala ko kay Sisi, dry yung kanya. Sa akin, curry. Pareho pala kayong curry katsu. Galit-galit mo nang lahat. Sarap. Sarapin na lang nga. Pareho kami.
I thought you meant to be.
Ang sarap ng ano niya, garlic bread. Is it cheesy? Cheesy garlic bread? It looks nice. Hi, girls! Tapos na kayo kumain. Nandito na lang sa kwarto ni Isla. Say good night! Thank you! Good morning! Happy Wednesday na ba today? Today, April, April 3. So, continuation to nung kahapon. Nagluluto na si Sisi, nakaligo na ako. Nagluluto si Sisi na spam. Ay, magluto rin siyang egg. Pero yung mga malilit na bata, pati si Holly nag-cereal na daw, sabi ni Sisi. Magdodraw na siya. And then yung dalawa, si Sak, naglalaro ng dinosaur. Nagpa-doktor pala siya kasi kahapon nagpa-book siya dito ng specialist. So, what's the finding? Antibiotic. Barb, what's the finding?
Nothing, he put the thing down in there and they would suck it out. And he got down, like it's that big, he got down about that far before the end and it started
And then?
hurting. So he still had that much to go, couldn't go there.
So what they gonna do? Antibiotics?
Well, different ones and different eardrops, but I've had to book an appointment with the specialist to go.
So you have a referral?
Yeah.
So what time?
Well, I have to wait for them to ring me. I rang them and said, I'm here in Adelaide, can I get him today? So
Ito na yung naluto na spam, egg. Ito yung last 20. Na may patatas. Kainan na.
What do you want, Ayla?
Zach, come on. Tapos na agad si Zach.
Tapos si Zach?
Ano pa?
Kumain siya egg white? More? More what?
Rice talaga siya. Si Kuya, oh. Ma-rice yan?
Okay! Say please. Okay, baby. Yummy rice. What do you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mommy. Nasa kon si John, sana doktor yun.
Yeah?
Kasi naghihintay siya sa bench.
Sana nga, doktor. Ay, bango ng corned beef.
Sarap.
You want corned beef, Kuya? It smells really good. What? More rice, Anna?
The family is always here.
Ayla, eat it, baby. Ay, good job, Ate Molly. Good eating, Bob.
Nakadalawa na siya.
Ginawa niyo mo sa rice niya. Kumuha siyang konting rice, ilagay niyo dun sa pinili ko ng corned beef. You're still cutting it. Okay. You want more, Arlo? You want more, boy? Lagyan kita konting corned beef, boy. Arlo, corned beef? Okay, boy.
Merong gumagawa doon
Ha?
sa may katapat.
Kuya. Rice and ulam. Okay, boy. Good eating, boy.
Tapos na pala kayong kumain. Lunch na yung guys. Ano na? 12:07 na. And si Ayla, napalitan na rin siya. Get Miss Tito John. We're going home, Baba. We're going home. You gonna miss Tito John? Don't you gonna miss Tita Manay? Say yes. Ice cream. Okay, ice
I
cream.
don't want to wait today. I want to wait tomorrow.
No, you have school tomorrow, Baba. Ice cream. Who's this? Who's that? Kanina pa siya kay Tito John. Mimiss si Tito John. Nagmo-moment na sila. Alis na kami.
Say bye to Kuya Zach.
Bye to Kuya Sak. Kuya Sak is going home. Huy, bye. Bye, Tito John is going home too.
Hello.
Alis na kami, guys. Alis na kami. Tingnan nyo, nag-bake sisis ng pandesal. Ang init pa, baunin ko daw. 3 lang yung pinaiwan niya.
Hello, Tito John.
Where's Tito John?
Sige, mag-shoes ka.
Doong bike ko, Kuya TJ. Wala, gusto niya si Kuya Sak. How about Tita Manay? Why? Because we're going home. See you next time. See ya in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks again.
I don't know.
Hug. Ay, look at ate. Bye-bye, Tito John.
Hello, Tito John.
Bye. Pupunta naman siya ng Saudi. Abroad ulit ang Tito John. Ano yan? Wala. Kala mo, package? Galing. Pinanggigigilan kasi ni Kuya Sak.
Klingin niyo naman.
Ang klingi. Si Sak kasi naman eh. Kasi yung Kuya Sak.
Hindi pa niya gets, guys.
Hindi niya pa gets. Up nga, gusto niyang gumaya kay ate. Ay, alam, mambabato. Mambabato.
Okay, Ben.
Ayla, see you na Tito John. Bye, Tito John. Say thanks, Tita Ray. Hug. Gusto mo pa fist man. Hug, Tita Ray. Hug ka na sana. Sak, hug Tita Ray now.
Come here, Ducky boy.
Saki boy, hug Tita Ray now. Say see ya.
See ya.
Ako segment.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nagbay na ako doon kay Dan. Hi, Arla. Okay, 5 hours more. Bye, Dong. Bye, Dong. Bye, Dong. Sasama, gusto niya sumama. Bye. Ayaw na kaming umalis. Bye, Dong. Bye, Arlo. Ang kawawa mo. Ano na mukha?
If I give in, you gon' stop doing all that you should. When I get mad, you giving me everything I want. How come you can't be the same way, even on the days we get along? Instead of changing when you want, 'cause that's when I stop tripping and you start fixing every little thing that you did, so I don't end up with another man. Instead of giving up, you start to know how long it's gonna last. Right before I say it's over with, I'm through with this, I'm throw it in the trash. That's when I need you, but I'm leaving, but come see me, leave me alone. Hate you, but
Nakadalawa na siya ng custard pandesal. Ito yung baon ko, dalawa na lang. Kinain ko yung isa na ube. Nagustuhan niya dyan yung custard. Gosh, pangatlo niya na to. Siya ang nakaubos ng custard pandesal. Thank you, Simple Race. Sarap na sarap siya.
Love you more. I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. Hate you, but I love you more. Sometimes I get comfortable and do whatever you want. I can't kiss and say, I can't clean as soon as I get home. But it's never good enough. Something always wrong. You took advantage of my love. Hell no, 'cause that's
Next stop pala tayo dito guys para magpagas and kumuha ng water lollies dito sa ano. Pagkababa namin sa bridge, sa Mary Bridge.
Hey, Mom.
Thank you. Close, Papa.
Yan, yan.
Kasi saktulog pa din. Narakot na pala kami guys. Mag-wash lang ng car. Anong oras na? 4:26 na guys. Wash na lang to. And ayan, nag-edit tayo. Ayan, nasabunan na yung ating car. Okay, tapos na mag-washing. And sadyang kanina pa siya kumakain ng snake. Kain din tayo. Ayan.
Like my tears.
Saan yung ulo? Ayan. Okay, dire-diretso na to sa bahay. And malapit na rin ako matapos mag-edit dito.
when I start tripping and you start fixing every little thing that you did, so I don't end up with another man. You said I'm giving up, it's hard to know how long it's gonna last. Right before I say it's over with, I'm through with this, I'm throwing it in the trash. That's when I
Guys, bahay lang kami. As in, hindi pa na-off yung car. Rating lang namin dito sa bahay. Anong oras na? 6 o'clock na. 5:51. So, i-end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. So, karugtong to kahapon. Pag hindi yun mahaba. Ito yung karugtong. And, kita nyo naman, updated na tayo. So, hopefully, sunod-sunod ang updated vlogs natin. So, yun. Yung vlog natin. Alam nyo bang may steep neck ako? Kasi hindi ako makalingon. Ganyan. Pagising ko kanina, hindi na ako makalingon kasi sobrang sakit hanggang dito sa may, dito sa likodan ko, sa may shoulder blade, hindi. Basta yung dito sa likod hanggang dyan. Hindi ako makalingon. So, yun yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. And, yeah, we had so much fun sa aming getaway. Kasama sila Race. Lalo na yung mga bata. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlogs. Ibababa na namin yung mga gamit, guys. Bye!
Because I